welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this coffee and hot cocoa station. Everything is super inexpensive and easy to do, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, I got some different containers from Dollar Tree, and this one just has like the little clasp on it, and then this one just has the lid on top. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some different candies in there. For the smaller glass one there, I'm going to put some candy canes. And then this is also from the Dollar Tree as well. It's just the peanut caramel crisp clusters, and I'm going to put that in the other container. And then I also did get this mug from the Dollar Tree as well. And then also I did buy this peppermint bark bar from the Dollar Tree as well. And then I just took the other container I bought 2 of these, and then I just broke that bark up and then just put it in that jar. And then the last thing that I put in a jar here is just some marshmallows, and these are just the small marshmallows, and that'll be great for any hot chocolate. And lastly, I got this sign here from Walmart for only, I think it was $4.94, and it did come with this stake here, and I just had my husband rip it off because I wanted the sign just to lay flat up against the wall and not be like outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in place. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. Now we just went ahead and put everything on this DIY tray that we made, and we'll be sure to link it above. And then we just have all of the necessary toppings or extra items that you would maybe want to add to your hot cocoa or coffee. And not only is this super festive, but it's also really functional and so cute. And that is it for today's video. We hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And now go make yourself a delicious Christmas drink. And we will catch you in the next video. Bye!